Endo temo fa wotena maami akuja sewa ene odo broni enta wantawa na so e wo Kumasi High Court say ode atemu eba ye no. Uko media so omo twena bo so. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw, Twene Jonas ene TikTokers abe blasted lawyer Dorinda Smith ata. Memo anchire mu no akire wadwen amame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Meso wa say need mu. Obe like video no other ma put subscribe button na be click notification icon for latest updates na be kire wadwen de amame e wo comment section. Meso ba so a no ahye for so anya bi ahwe. Onim say prior to that rumor ewo no ene na ye no hyehye no asem no ekopiem e wo Kumasi High Court. Ayes eye maami akuja sewa and edekoy according to on that rumor the legal wife, the legally wedded wife. Na bra akuja pay to park e de ye no hyehye e ba bonten any date any bibiara aye kanyam ya adomu a efiada nka that rumor e dampem Saturday Sunday ye na yi but date ne ba ye no ana akuja sewa e de Panyini ene odobroni ekọ court because we hwe ni eye no nhye na se nipa omu pese oye kunani no eye odobroni eno na anya ko ya se wade ene so do mu court e che court say court enforce nto eye ni so injunction ento eye ni so court ewi a court emebi ase nyina hu ni say onu maami akoja se wa onu nkuto ledu no ba eyere na onu nkwan be kunani afi court wi a court enforce ento odobroni so no odobroni enyan say wo carry herself as a widow onye kunani amamele bibia mu ye nimu no onya yere eye mpra twe no betwe ye endine wonya yere amode na asem we okobo nkuro we e wo court adase e ma asem na e ko back and forth twe ho da already that this but last week Friday Kumasi High Court e pass a judgment on this issue as otemo for ten asem no so no tedwam eye her leadership Justice Dorinda Smith ono anase obu aten na atembo ni mo no ebubo akuja sewa because all the one desertion area akoya sewa esa akoya sewa ejani ko akotena kwantum onim se mran kire se onu obi awale na edi 6 months no bi anteni yonkon kan awale enimu agu ejode for years nie ohun ukru te on kada is awale na agu dada court ed is housing area no ebiam so no court ed abandonment of husband area akoya sewa kire mu se waja okunu ho he so okunu so bedidie se oyale se wonyale se bibi ye no emfa ho anata kwantum owu ye de wo hu koya bafie court there be ye gina ko say wachia enyeye ana ebiem so no court ekirem say akoja say wa entimi improve the legitimacy of the marriage certificate na omode eba court no omo entimi improve because there wasn't any signature on it omo entimi improve the court ejutumo enyeye ana it was even alleged say ebisa panyin kirem say odo akoja say wa edensan ye de baji ni tia wallet odensan ne by 2015-18 odensan ne by e record ejina say okay ne se sa wo mu a ene awale ko di nkan kra begu efie de adada efie de no ensa na eye entemtina for de nsa ne ban je say bibia to atwa wo begu fie de no e di court crowd or consider akocha sewa e do tie say o ye yere ana odoburo ni so eye yere but ye komu pa de anka temu de abuabo akocha sewa e ma court esa ma e the penny to park e kwan es ayi no obetimi ato akos aye ho ye share as the date about bontene a eye 13th December 2025 next week Saturday and the number ayi ewo baba yara sports stadium Kumasi na enu achi no ala sense will be na epiem ewo media ne so na busia efa temo we na ebae no amafo bi kire say judge no wama side check any case over the ukura marriage certificate sad ene wama aware just a legal and as a marriage and the ordinance I lose its credibility any ade eno na comedians we see lawyer Maurice Ampaw ene Twene Jonas ene TikTokers abe blàst her leadership Dorinda Smith o temu afo no transfer so in fact o my come adwen pa e de akire no
let me blame judge and say the court should not sacrifice justice on the altar of technicalities. Court no man traho and for technicalities. Judge no does the court is there to do justice. In the times no ye case yanya technicalities in tonchen. Take me expecting my lord no say. Na nke say o making nakasani orders because court no you are there to know the truth. And if the lawyer no and to not present the document to me making consequent or the say be a unya German be a expert witness advice parties say Germany document na be na fi Germany and identity na bia yen to some free German expert witness be that no mra no all testify say whether it is true say documents are what they buy no a document if in Germany so na me Nigeria on technicalities Nigeria no bo mama say wa asem guye what you say and or say mutuni nya ko yekra how can somebody be how can a missus become equal with somebody who's side checker who is supposed to be a side check. That is where the confusion. It was a judgment like I said, it's based on technicalities. The truth is that somebody is a missus and somebody is not a missus. That is the truth.
Don't mama Jimmy for. Kako yi mama na di no ni madwuma. Obi anware odobroni. Kwasiaba. Uchemu suosu ahyawo ni ba. Jimmy for ba. Abroche marriage certificate a booklet a di amount wasan ya wie e system mu enti o pese hu se obi onya yire biewa e divorce certificate na wo nya marriage certificate na wo aboa ena obi ware wo court ontimi ware wo wiase ba bia bio aboa daddy lumba ware wo court eni ntino kura German passport wa ware anko onye ntimi nya German passport da enti obi ware wo court wa ontimi ware bio made na nkasa kura nim so no ayire eye bribe no tia o selfish odobroni eye ko jase wa ye ntia me na me ko jase wa kama bo pa ma na dio makoku odobroni ofio wawura man na be kuna no wan na be kuna because magimi na mo se mon kan no kura o man ma me mo obi akuku no obi akuna wan na be obi ni sama be tuma be kuna ene odobroni akun dadi lumba no o henu abeka se o akosa se wa na me yiri we enti si Uganda government or German court and international court say Ghana government does not recognize Ghana German marriage certificate because America could recognize Ghana full marriage certificate. Me go for minimum Ghana o free Ghana ba America nyina. Omo ba omo de Ghana marriage certificate ba America jitum na America ayeden ama omo green card mo nyako form yiri aba. Enti se o Ghana na we mfuturo no onye broni system papa ni ndia. Onye German certificate because wa kwaje bribe onye ntuma. Me say mo report on na fe Ghana nso a German and sanction Ghana. Na fe no anya kese omunyere omunchi jomama omunchi no for not recognizing a German certificate. Na fe omun so bandi Ghana certificate no Ghana marriage certificate. Na fe omun so majimi because a judge no judiciary is a government, it's an institution, arms of government. What you say, your friend, separation of power. Your executive I wanna jomama jimi for it no. And your legislature I wanna abambabe mo jimi for an MPC ni guno. And your judiciary I wanna a court of want to sell doina kwasi abani no. What you say, arms of government, anti-government, your mama Jimmy for no na say o makugu and no mo gije bribe Jimmy.
God obi o dwen say wa ye de wa ye wi. E say de atro ababa wa ye ni kunawu a Ghana judge ni nim judge cro. But you that judge wait, we will come on you. We'll come on you with the word of God. I'm taking my time. Say mo pesa mo kire say wa ware kura no amfa so ni so say there otwem pra you that judge wait God will deal with you. God will never let you go free. Nyame no obedi nyame bet head there bie say no ye Nebukadnezar say nyame ye wo sa na ebon hu na wo di chiri ma say wo betimi de wasema ko bia so. But idea unyame I institute. Don't joke with it. And family beyond sano. People are quiet. Maybe say behind there quiet. I was waiting. But when you pass the judgment, will come straight by the word of the Lord, and we will uproot and speak the mind of God. We'll speak the mind of God. When I'm person say generation, must want to attract so. We will never keep quiet. We will never keep quiet. And so, what do you name the choco? But an introduction, but I create a you know, Nebuchadnezzar, who fooled around, came to the realization that there is existence of God. As of
Me person busa jajira watena some so what this how really no buy anything. And the jajira only one was one German for marriage certificate in tomb. One fine only German for marriage busano. UK ha, ya kumu fire bano. Ya worry Ghana no certificate no, and ya file your mujitu mo kroma. And no mujitu mo kroma. And the busasa on the fine. Judge no on the fine walker se jama for certificate on into. Na ka wo pese pepe ya anya adwuma. Adenti na wo ko jama embassy wo Ghana. Na mo fa certificate no ko. No mo forward ko Germany. No mo ko checking for say certificate I original and your original. Me certificate the why fa I camera na to so. E bia dre ne go no. Wini ba e na go ha me ba krom ha no. Me ye any childhood wo wini ba. Me wi training college 1998. Me ba ya me de certificate na call your baby board bi ya de wo ba wo do set call. Wo ba so do certificate ya djuma kwa dia. Ya de call ho no. Ana mo so forward de call Ghana. Baby me wi training college. Ani e wini ba. E check if I say certificate me dia ba krom ha no. E ye no kwa na sanya no kre. O mo check o mo sanya no kre no. Ana mo ma me equivalent to hadie. Ya ma me equivalent to UK hadie. Who pen a crown my day, would you say I won't call German embassy? No one could check his certificate, you know. Say I'm passing my no one ya. Date was so won't confirm me. Won't confirm me who's a subway at the crown I send you the crib. Now, why would say Jamaica say, oh, when you know you could. Then the parole won't name my certificate to know all one day. What's the winning to a dear I was a child, like I said, oh, when you know you could. Although what you provided the certificate. Abusi obia forward ruri ni nya bia breme ma me no so no tibi kan say adasifo ni na odobroni dance di na ya de as odobroni dance di tum abra odobroni ntiban provide any concrete evidence our court or to provide concrete evidence when you be anko no marriage a certificate na hwana me ya no wale me no na mi nua ma mususa eso so obo dia kwenta de sekai. Enti hwan ya be wale ni fi ha wonye busuani ba kokran ko gira court kira say onia ekuru e na ko gira court di adansi asam weyi be busam ni mu miedu asam we ya papa sem me ya baba wale be me nya busuani bi an ko gira court sem me mrs ekuru e na ko di adansi o court uti bi wo hefa ne kura so ne kura sagana me se ne kura asa ne kura asa Messi Samuel, Yadabako appeal. Messi Samuel say Yabako appeal. And she say, the judge, no dear, some young Amma say, UK, ni Germany, Canada, baby for US, or almost over your cousin for. Or we are woman in youngster, because so woman in youngster, woman in Ghana, marriage certificate in two. Am I promoted to be found for my eyes? I'm a penetrate. Because when you will be cruel, the end to the arrow, don't you crop for so dear tomorrow. I died no more do what you for Freddy to her. Nay, I saw we fall side on the window. A fall sat at the steady panther. And it's a war fall sat, show on that. Now, what's your one saba who will show be swat, and 9 can in our also. Better the American. What's your one saba to show you your swat, and 9 can in our also. It is a say, pa, would you all say, wouldn't to no one in to know. Say, I catch some man and you don't bring one a what has happened? Can you come to you? What is certificate? Who ye? I said, I don't know who ye, and airport. I will make you about a marriage certificate. Me, Busafa, General. Who passed idea fake? Then I was all ye. And you show me I was all ye. Who said I did a papa and papa? Why not you show me? What even the pets and our cafe? Winning to just like that. Winning to Babushia, Nancy, I'm going to cast all the after make a general. What's it will be at the end of papa? A dear original so who said papa. A dear investigation away ye about Sadia until we didn't show see papa. Na Ghana woman. Send no credit hopper, your butu no crack. Everything far back door, and maybe you will pay the Ghana the uncle so. Your crow will send a sense of Warren. Send your Ghana, a mound also by a DA. Send your Ghana by Bayano. Ti abushio se se wo bia mo na wane ho ban mi so ba okuru ho atwe sekai eti okuru atwe aba fa boni tribuku no fa boni tribuku no because on okuru ba chabra but lumba first song na nya na nyina kama kwa nya lumba nya ma nya akoso se wa ka lumba nya lumba o me se nya ma me na ka the first song ka kadem wo Frida wo hwene sa ba ma de wo hwene sa ayi ya kan say gala buchia wo to be kan kwase ya sama kira me say ye tia broche ye ho fi aba na hwe na odobroni ti islo go fiom odobroni me pese bo sa say foundation wo mutu wo to bi da wo cha braso da obi wo no obi kika wa hu na ma mi tiri ye me se ma na papa wo de tirim wo dia fa ma ga ye me say so obi ba okuru hu abi ko ni obi ba ko obi kuru me so nsuro dia me se wa ko okuru hu a me se fa nto age no asema me kesa me shofo ti do kam so tima sa ko nto bi say because any pan nsuro nya me say obi ba okuru hu afa nto age no ya man to ane say ya no mo anto ane yan kasa ya mfa nware ana afia fe go be to mo fa hye oturum enfa fa chini pakoro na de le mana wo mu nyina dase because what if you wa so what better fi onu okurasi obi fifra wa sam ni fifri wo na wo ba be di so fa so ho tesa ma na ni fruit of labor de wa enjoy o dogbodi na be enjoy na wo Frida so kwase ase go so from evangelist aboa Frida na so Frida dia me so wo me ni wo nwie na nwie kira aboa boya sa akata wo fi wate wo mo basa mo kwa Frida page na mo kwa mi page na mo kwa hwe Frida na oka kira me se be mi hu fi me se mo kwa Frida page se the page go kra akoda mo kwa ni page na mo kwa hwe ade aboa beti saw kwase aba enti bisi abushia sam ne yakwa api enti tim ma ne akoshia sewa mesi abusuafo moma yafa mpaebo tama me nachi mesi ya musika bia betua de asa bekwa api bia ya jafa ne bekwa api
German baby be fake documents and a Germany have my fake documents. Ghana and Kwana and crazy to know. So I say, only Ghana and Kwana kind of thing, but you're happy.
Yet, there's some near Bakwa, Piantias and Tiasiachina. Yan one is an amene. Send me a mere Bakwa court. I am who are dear. I'm a yajere. Because I'm catch up separation and an hour ago. So, no cruise separate, I don't just have my Java view. Look back together about a minute or one just over Java view. Come from court to be a separation at a hour, one hour. What's it be that? I'm telling what the wood way say what I say. One to be after myself, Mamma Cabby. And she says, no, Mamma searches for any what the own over ye, yes, sir. Ghana court. Mamusa Ghana says, dear. And same being quiet about Papa, then I am yesterday free my Ghana. I am ya papa. Sir, I do be able to say 1+1, you're 2. Let's look at the 1+1, you're 5. Children, my Ghana. My Ghana, I did before the and quantity because 1+1, you're 5. Then I know home. Mrs. Hassan, you bet cheer for the Betty. Yen, I that. Mrs. Tim Liga, for yen, I some would that. I hope I some you ever can't. I'm not crabby at a credit at all. You don't understand how many. Ah! Yes, yes, young man, no, or be finance. I may enjoy, I'm not enjoying near my Yadiokumu, a brapedi in Anyasa. And I say, you never fire 100. You never fire 100. Now, Mr. Obo, 1 hour cardi woman, I'm Mr. Obuma, Ombeshi, pepper. Frida, Mr. Woman, a dick, Frida. Woman, a dick, I want to go, woman, quasi a horse of a go. A Ghana, one of that.
We are telling you, Amame. Ewa comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media. Accra.